Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Trent Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Trent with a revised SOTP based price target of Rs 4800. Trent posted yet another stellar quarter in Q4 with revenues growing by 53% year-on-year to Rs 3,187 crores. EBITDA margin rising sharply by 477 bps year-on-year to 15% and adjusted PAT growing by 2.75 times year-on-year to Rs 289 crores. Fashion concept delivered a well over 10% year-on-year like-for-like growth. Emerging categories now contribute over 20% of standalone revenues. It added 12 Westside store and 86 Zudio store across 65 cities, including 25 new cities, during the quarter. The stock trades at 50 times FY25 and 38 times FY26 EV by EBITDA. Next, we cover UltraTech Cement. Our analyst retains a buy rating on UltraTech with an unchanged price target of Rs 11,900. Owing to a strong earnings growth outlook over FY24 to FY26. The company reported strong standalone operational beat for Q4, aided by higher than expected volume growth and lower OPEX per ton. It is poised to outpace industry demand growth rates during FY25, while OPEX cost curve is expected to trend lower over the next 3 years. Its capacity expansion plan remains on track to achieve almost 200 MTPA global capacities by FY27 end. The consolidated net debt is expected to be further trimmed down by FY25 end.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.